Welcome back to my channel. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray, and that's what I'm going to use to reinstall my wig. I've already applied this wig before. This is me coming back and just wearing this wig again to show you guys that it actually is good hair. I just tested it out for a while before I actually came with the review. So yeah, I'm just going to reinstall it with my Got To Be Free spray. Yeah, I'm not really a glue girl. I'm more of a free spray or RS hold spray type of girl because I like to take my wigs off at night and I like to keep my wigs in for no more than like 2 days. So which is why I use this method most of the time. So once my hair is installed, I am going to create my part. So I like to, when I do my side parts, I like to do a curved part, and there's only so much curve and how far back I can go on a 13x4. So this was kind of tricky, but I made it work. I would have preferred if this was a 13x6, but you know there's a shortage of 13x6 frontals right now, so I had to work with what I had. So I just created a really curved C. Normally my parts would be way back more than this, but I had to use this part. And once I've decided where I want my part to be and everything, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to section out that part or that fringe area into a little twist. Once I've created that twist, I'm going to go in with my wax stick to just mold everything into the style that I want, especially that side because I want it to be really flat. So I'm going to hot comb through using my PAPACHICHISTYLE pink hot comb. This is the pro version. I really love this hot comb. So yeah, once I've hot combed everything out, I'm going to go ahead and hot comb the fringe as well. Just molding. And this hairstyle is actually quite easy. And I love it because it can actually last days. So yeah, pretty easy to do. I'm going to go in and do my edges. So first I'm going to cut off some of the hair, and I'm going to take my Aphogee hair mousse. This is the only mousse I use for my edges. I just feel like it has a super strong hold. I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to create some dramatic. This is quite dramatic, I can't lie, but that's how I like to do my side swoops. So I do the edges on both sides, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's actually a very easy hairstyle to create. And then off camera, what I did is I went in with a lighter foundation to just define the part a bit more. So this is how I get my side swoop on most of my wigs. Yeah, I haven't done this hairstyle for a while, so I just thought, why not? Originally I had this hair in middle part straight, so I'll insert clips on the screen so you can see how the hair was. I've had this hair for a while, but I stopped wearing it. I wore it for like a week, then I put it away, and obviously this is like a month later. So I just installed it again, and I really like this hair. I feel like for coloured hair, it's really soft. This isn't actually sponsored. It's just hair that's been sent to me, and I've taken ages to do this video. I love the colour. At first I was a bit iffy because it's brighter than the colour I would go for, but I absolutely love it. Do I have any cons about this hair? Yeah, I do have a con. I do feel like you can see the lace. Like, I wish the lace would melt a bit more. I feel like there's no issue with the lace melting. It's an issue with the actual, you know, seeing the lace. And you can kind of like see the grids and the knots in the hair. So I wish it was a bit like more transparent. But other than that, I honestly don't have anything bad to say about this hair. I've crimped this hair, I've curled this hair, and I've straightened it back. And this is the hair. I think it is 24 inches. Might even be 22, but all the details will be in the description box, like I said. I'm 5'9", and this wig just comes like to past my waist, and I feel like it's a decent length. I feel like this hair is definitely going to be my top 3 wigs this summer. Yeah, I feel like I need a ginger curly wig. Like, I want ginger, but I want it to be different, so I'm probably gonna do ginger hair that's curly. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.